It looks like Elmo.
Make sure you get that little piece. Don't leave it there. You can do it. Oh, what is it? What is it? Here, I'll help you. There. Now what is it? Look. Sesame Street. Big Bird. Grover. No, I can't see it. Elmo. DVD. There's another one. Keep going. Come on. Oh. Come on. No, there's more. Nah, this is in sync.
He's been playing the worst crap.
Keep going.
Hey.
This is Sears Muzak. No, don't step on it.
My first stop.
Yep. Oh, yuck. What is that? We're going to learn the alphabet.
Calendar?
No, it's like, I think it looks like flashcards or something like that. Click, clack, something pack. We're going to start learning words so you can say more than what's this. What's this? What's this? That's for me. It's not for her.
Summer sausage?
I believe so. Oh, you want to open up mine, but you don't want to open up yours? Yeah.
You're probably going to have to help her with this.
Oh. Come on, we gotta open up this one now. I need scissors. Hey.
Hey, Bubbles, come.
Hey, look what Mima got you. Oh, what's this? What's this? Yeah, what is that? Aww. 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 Say thank you, Mima. Aww. Aww. Give it a kiss. Aww.
Hey, come on, you got more. A bear.
Aww. Come on, hey.
Hey, hey.
She likes the bear. Bring the bear over here and help you open up the present. Layla. Oh, and Ernie too. Oh, no Ernie. Oh, and the bear's gone. Hey, 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 hey,
Oh, boys.
hey, hey,
Hey,
hey.
Layla.
Layla. Bring the summer sausage over here and help you open up the present. Aw, summer sausage.
Oh, boys. Oh, my God.
Yeah. She just wants everything that's open so far. She can't see any of the other stuff, so she just wants she can see.
Layla, you gotta open this, sweetheart. Look it.
Come on. Oh. Oh, what is it? Yeah, keep going. Gingerbread man.
Hey, hey.
Whoa. Whoa. It's a peekaboo cuckoo. It's a cuckoo clock.
Cool.
Mm. Okay. Say thank you, London and Deanna. Yeah. Well, it's off now. I turned it off because we got more presents to open up still, too. Snotty. Come on. Come on, open up this one.